Hello everyone, it's a quick video. Lulu's sitting in the shade, or laying down in the shade rather. Just want to let everybody know that I am on the interest list for being a speaker at the National Heirloom Expo in Santa Rosa, California. Even saying that right now just gave me goosebumps. I never thought that Lulu's coming to me now. I never thought that, I could be a success on YouTube, let alone be considered for being a speaker on something I consider to be only the best go there. Like John Kohler, Wendy Pham, I believe Doug and Stacy, and many others. I think it's a 3-day event, 2 to 3 day, but I think it's always 3 days. This year it's going to be in September. I just can't believe I was even added to the interest list. I just asked, would you consider someone like me that still doesn't have too many followers or subscribers, but I love what I do. I mentioned a little bit about my back history, and I think because of my Zaatar plants, and my niche is that, my shtick, and that I have so many videos that I may be considered, or I am considered, excuse me. But I want to thank all of you, really. Like I said, this was doing YouTube, now Instagram heavily, but YouTube as well, was a legacy for my children, so they can, or my child at the time, Shant, now my children, with the little one coming here in October. But it does help to have subscribers helping you along, making you feel good, making you feel like this is the right choice. If you like my shirt, I love Star Wars, by the way. Let me get out of that blazing sun. But once again, I am on the interest list, so I am being considered. Doesn't mean I will be a speaker. But wow, if I'm a speaker, that'll be really amazing. Too late in the year to be considered this year, because they already chose all the speakers. They chose it, I think, in January. And I might have not gone anyways, because that would be less than 30 days from my daughter's labor. And I don't want to be away from my family that long, especially if my wife is, at that time would be 8 or more than 8 months pregnant. So I might not have gone anyways. So once again, I want to thank all of you. Even just, like I said, just being considered for such a huge event, really international event, because sometimes they have 80 speakers, or that I remember. I just think that's amazing. And I want to thank all of you. Happy gardening. Bye.